At the start of summer, the sun soars high, and days are longer, so temperatures rise. We so have more energy when each day is done, and so the reason for the season is our angle to the sun. In the winter, the sun stays low, and days are shorter, so it gets cold. The south pole gets sunshine while the north pole gets none, and so the reason for the season is our angle to the sun. Since the latitude we live is in the northern hemisphere, then the angle of Earth's axis to the plane of the sun means the summer in Australia when it's winter over here. So every season is defined by the way the Earth's inclined, and we can calculate the start of each one, because the reason for the season is our angle to the sun. Yes, the reason for the season is our angle to the sun. It's the reason for the season.